Hindi natin sasabihin ng protesta. Okay?
Okay. Paano ka namin masusuportahan?
Sa FB, just show your support online. Kung may mga protest tayo laban kila Marcos, kila Romualdez, so lahat mga magnanakaw, you can always go kasi this is our country and tayo, kung hindi natin umpisan to, walang magbabago.
We love you, Kiko!
Sino-sino yung mga dapat targetin?
Martin Romualdez and
Yes.
Martin Romualdez at si Bongbong Marcos. Sila talaga
Yes,
yung mastermind ng lahat ng yan. It's impossible na wala silang alam dyan at wala din silang ginagawa laban sa korupsyon. Kaya posibleng pinoprotektahan nila lahat ng mga
Okay. Kung sakali mapabagsak yung gobyerno, sino ipapalit?
na kahit sino basta wag lang si BBM.
Huwag lang sila.
Anyone except Marcos.
Huwag lang sila.
Kahit si Bimbi Aquino pa ilagay nyo. Kahit sino, basta wag lang si Marcos because anyone, well practically everyone can bring a good future for our country except for Bongbong Marcos. Yun lang.
Thank you, Kiko!
Kiko, few questions. Do you think may magyayaring resulta sa pagkalampag ng taong bayan?
Yes. Ngayon o everyday.
Itong kabuuan na ginagawa natin ngayon?
Well, hopefully, hindi natin alam, but we always have to increase our efforts. Lagi natin, mas gagalingan pa natin next time. We'll bring more people, we'll have more equipment, we'll make a larger amount of noise.
And may I know your opinion about yung pagbato ng issue mula sa paikot-ikot sa Kongreso and then sa Senado, tas ngayon ibinabato ngayon sa ICI. Siyempre frustrated na yung mga tao, nagbi-build up na yung anger. Ano yung masasabi mo sa mga nangyayari?
Problema kasi dyan in terms of, in legal terms, ay pag lagi nating iniintay o lagi nang natin hinahayaan sila, people will keep losing faith in the justice system. Kasi ngayon nga, wala pang napapakulong and that's the very big issue here. If the justice system fails us, who can we depend on? And that's why we are here instead of just waiting for the courts to bring justice for us.
So if walang justice, tas mag-escalate ang situation, who can help us?
If the situation escalates, firstly, it will lead to economic collapse, and secondly, it might possibly lead to Mindanao secession, civil war, everything. There are plenty of potential downsides, potential chaos that will emerge pag walang nagbago dito. Kasi lumalaki na yung issue nakita natin sa mga ibang bansa, yung mga nagpo-protesta doon, yung mga nasunog na mga government buildings doon. And we're very close to that point. We don't want to reach that point. Gusto natin ng peaceful protest and we want positive change in our government without necessarily sacrificing any government structures.
How about the military? Do you think they can take over? Do you think pwede natin sila asahan?
Very possible. Very yung military kasi, they depend on the will of the people. Once we show that the people are angry at the government,